Welcome back to What Karen Loves, and today I'm going to be doing top 5 outfit ideals for spring. I know we still have like 55 days until spring, but I don't know about you, but I can't wait for spring. I can't wait for things to warm up. I'm very hyped for spring, so this gives me that type of spring vibe, even though it's not spring until like March, I think. So it's okay. It's okay. I love spring. It's kind of like one of my favorite I almost said holidays. One of my favorite seasons other than fall and of course summer. I like summer even though sometimes it can be kind of hot, but you can get to go outside, and do more things and more activities, if you know what I mean. So here I am doing some outfit ideals for spring, and this is featuring, of course, Fashion Nova. I love them, even though I haven't been partnering with them, even though I do love them and I promote them so much. I should be partnered, but it's okay. It's okay. Okay. But anyways, speaking of the blog, there will be a new blog up, hopefully by the time this video is up. So go check it out down below in the description below. As always, I don't know what I'm going to be doing yet, but go check it out anyways down below in the description below as always. And also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And also check out the latest video. Where is it? Actually, I think it's in the center of my face. So go check it out and subscribe to the main channel, which is always linked in the eye. So let's get onto it, because this camera has not want to be my friend today, and also I just couldn't get words out today. This is probably the 4th time I'm trying to record this video, so here we are. Let's get to it. First of all, we need to make a schedule for this channel, because I've been really bad about taking 2 weeks before I upload a video. I think it's because with What Karen Loves, when I do the blog, I usually don't have a schedule. I just do it when I want to do it type thing. And that's kind of where I wanted to draw with this channel, was just upload when I want, do what I want. But YouTube and a blog is 2 different things. So with that being said, we will officially be uploading videos every Friday. So look out for that. So I know today is not a Friday, but next week there will be a new video Friday, of course. It helps with being able to record, have a video already done. Today is Saturday. Yesterday I forgot to record anything. So we're recording today and having it uploaded today as always. So I just want to get that up. So I will have the information down below, in the description below, let you guys know there will be a video up every Friday. And hopefully there will be a vlog up at the same time as always too. It helps with both of them being more content, more content out is what I'm saying. So last few weeks has been hectic, and the last few months has been hectic. So let's have a new fresh new 2019. Happy New Year, because this is the new video of 2019. So let's get into it. Alright. So as I said, I'm doing top 5 outfit ideals for spring, and this is featuring Fashion Nova. And coming in everyone, we got this romper and heels, and hopefully you guys will see it as I'm talking about it. I'm still getting used to inserting photos, but you should see it right about now. So let's get into it. Alright, so I really love the romper. You guys know I love rompers and jumpsuits. I don't own very much just because I'm very short, and I'm afraid if I get any, it's going to be longer than my leg. I have 1 pair of pants that do the same thing, and they fit me fine, but they're really long and they drag so bad. But I really love the romper. I love how it looks. I love the color. It just gives me that spring vibe. The blue, I love the ruffles. It just gives me that spring vibes. It kind of reminds me of a little bit of Easter, just going outside and seeing all the things that blooming, and just going outside and having a good time with your family. I just love the way it looks, and I'm a big fan of, I even like these heels. Sometimes I don't really like heels very much, but I have a few of them I love that's been in probably my cart for the last several months of wanting to get, but I haven't got them. But I really love these, and I love how they look, a little bit of gold, and the heel, and the way it wraps around your leg. I just love the way it looks. It's definitely probably one of my top favorite outfits of this list. One of my favorite, definitely. Alright, So I'm hoping that you guys can see outfit number 1. Hopefully you can see how I'm like talking about it and how I'm describing how it looks, because I just love the way it looks, how it goes together. I love it. So hopefully you guys can see it. I'm gonna give it a couple seconds, you know. So hopefully you guys can look at it and see what I'm saying, you know. Alright, but at the end, usually I give you guys another look of them at the end, because, you know, I'm still getting used to this whole inserting the video. But, I mean, I like doing that because it gives you, like, an overall look of all of it again. You know what I mean? So, outfit number 2 is, I've seen this shirt, and it's, I think the shirt is, like, a new product from Fashion Nova. They just released it not too long ago, I think. And I love it, and I'm sorry, I'm having a runny nose all of a sudden, and I just felt it coming down my face, and I was hoping it wasn't going to. Alright, let's see. I like this shirt. What's a skirt? It does go with a skirt. And I really love this shirt. I mean, it's like a crop top. It's a long sleeve. It has these like roses. It looks like flower pattern, and like I love the color. I love the just the overall look of it. I love it. I just like the way it looks, and I thought it would go good with a skirt. So I picked this one out because it was like one of the ones that was on there. It like popped out to me. I'm like, hey, this will look good to it. It's black. It has like this look of like a belt, and just really cute. You know, zips down. I just love the overall look of it. I just did these, so it doesn't come with any shoes, obviously, in my outfit choice for it. But I think that it would go good with some heels, maybe some little booties. I love the way it looks. I love it. I just like it would be cute. I mean, I know the shirt is new on Fashion Nova. There's no stars, but I just love the way it looks. I think it would be cute for spring. I mean, flowers are just like spring. I mean, everything's blooming. There's just so much things coming. I mean, come on. Alright. Outfit number 3. We got some dress and we got some boots. I love, even though I don't own many, I do love the way dresses look. I should probably get some dresses, but I just don't know if I would wear them. That's the only thing I feel like I don't know if I would, even though I do love them. So this kind of like reminds you of a shirt. It's like a shirt dress. That's what I kind of got the vibe of. And I love it, and it's a new product from Fashion Nova too, and I just love the way it looked. I like the way the whole design looked to me. Something simple, something cute, something kind of like blue. I just love the way it looked. It has like a little wraparound belt. I just really love the way it looked. And of course I went with boots. You guys know I love some boots. Some boots just go a long way. These have like, you know, like little rhinestones. It looks like some little, you know, like little straps on the side. I just love the way the boots look. I just love them. I'm surprised I haven't got them. I think I've been eyeing these for the last several weeks. I just think it would be great for like Easter, as I said, because you guys know it's spring. Eagles, Easter, some other events going on in spring, but like, you know, just Easter and like everything's starting to warm up and getting a little bit more easier to go outside and do things and just having more things to do. Okay, so I just really love the way it looked though. I just like it. I don't know. Let me know if you like it. So outfit number 4 is of course a jumpsuit. I like the pink and I love it. I really love it. And as I was doing this, I found some boots and I really love them. I still do. And I didn't even think about it, but as I was still like piecing them together and looking at them, I'm just like, how would that look like over top of the like pant leg, you know what I mean? Like the bottom of it. But I'm still going to keep it because I like the boots. I like the way they look. I think they still would go together. In my mind, I'm trying to think how they would look together, like, not in person, but, like, trying to, like, piece them together. I still think they would look good together. Even then, I still like the boots. I really like the boots. And I think I would wear it. I mean, I think it looks cute. I mean, I really like them. So, like, as you can see, the boots is what I'm talking about. Like, they really look good. but the problem is, like, I just don't know how they would look over, I don't know, like, the end of the pant leg is what I'm saying. But, like, I still think it would look good together. You know what I mean? It's got the little, I want to say red, but, like, kind of looks like violet a little bit. I just love the way the boots look, and I love the way the whole outfit would piece together in my mind. You know what I mean? I'm having to wipe my nose because, like, it keeps running. I don't know why. I don't feel sick. I don't know. This morning I woke up this morning, my nose was kind of stuffy, so maybe it's starting to open up. Outfit number 5, which is the last one. It is a romper, obviously. And I really love this one. I love the way it looked. It gave me that sexy vibe to go outside. You might be able to use this for Valentine's Day, which is coming up soon. It gives me that just really nice, like, vibe. Really, I think it would be something I would wear for Valentine's Day. And hanging out with my husband, you know, something like that. It still would be nice for, like, you know, just like summer or like spring even. It just gives me that vibe because, like, you go outside, you know, you want to look good, you know, especially if you're going out for, like, Valentine's Day. This definitely would give me that Valentine's Day vibe. Now that I'm looking at it more, because, like, just the way it looks, it's really nice looking. I love the way it looks, and it's pretty popular right now on Fashion Nova, and I just really like the way it looks. I love the flowers. I love the color. I love the length of the, like, you know. Why did I just blank today? I just had all the details for every outfit. For the sleeves, that's what I was talking about. I like the sleeves, the way they look. I like the little type. It looks like kind of like ruffles, but, you know, just the way it looked. I like the way, the whole idea of it. It just looks really good. I think it will piece together with, like, a nice, you know, long, like, necklace. And of course I picked out some heels to go with it, and I thought, you know, some black heels would probably go good with it. It has, like, a nice look to the heels. It has a little bit of gold. It's really cute looking. I think it looks really good, and hopefully you guys can see what I'm talking about as I'm talking about this outfit. I think it really looks good. I just love it. I love the outfit. Okay, so we're gonna have an overall look of these outfits. So I'm gonna show you guys. And I really love my top outfits. I don't know, like, I love them all equally, but I really love, first of all, I love outfit number 5. That's probably one of my favorites as well, as always. So I'm gonna have it pop up again so you guys can see it. And then maybe at the end I'll have them all showed up. But I just don't know, like, I'm still getting used to popping up things, but if it pops up good, I won't have it do that again because, like, it would not make sense. So I'll have it pop up again like I usually do when I'm talking overall again. Outfit number 1, I really love the way it looks. I mean, the romper, the heels, they go together. Even, like I said, the blue, I love that. And I love outfit number 2 too. I love the way it looks. I mean, that shirt and skirt. I'm trying to say that together without saying skirt and skirt. I love the way they look, obviously. Like I said, you guys can see the flower pattern. Cannot speak today. And the look of the skirt. The way the piece together, like I said, they go good with some boots, some heels. That would be something that would go good with this. Alright, outfit number 3, we got a dress and some boots. As you guys see, like I said, it gave me like that, like, Easter vibe, and then the shirt and reminds me of, like, a shirt, and, like, it's a shirt dress. It's kind of, I really like it. It might be new, but I like it. I like the way it looks. I mean, for me, it just looks like it would be comfortable. Looks like it would be something easy to wear, something that would not feel like you're, like, overly dressed for, like, Easter, but still cute. Alright, outfit number 4, as you guys can see here, we got the jumpsuit and we got the boots. And like I said, I love this outfit. I love the way the boots looked. Even if maybe it would be weird over top of the thing, but still, I think I would wear it. I like the way it looked. Alright, now the last one. This was probably one of my top favorites of this week. of this week. It was just weekly outfit ideas. But anyways, I think I really like it. I like the way it looked. I liked outfit number 1 and outfit number 5. It's probably one of my 2 favorites. Maybe. I don't know. I'm still trying to think of it. But anyways, this is outfit number 5. The romper and heels, like I was saying. I love the way the romper looked. I thought it was cute. And I really think that heels would go good with it. My contact is some reason wanting to be difficult in my eyeball right now. Okay, anyways, I really like the way they look together. I thought they go good together, and hope you guys can see them. If some reason issue goes through, hopefully it will look good either way. Always try to make sure it looks good either way, but it should pop up. I've been working on that a lot lately. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and let me know down below what was your favorite outfit from Fashion Nova I talked about in this video. I will have all the outfits down below in the description below, and also I will have a link down below that you can get, what is it, 10% off? I can't remember. Let me look it up. That you can get some busted off, you know what I'm saying? And I don't know about you, but I love saving some money. I'll leave the link down below either way, so you guys can get, I feel like it's 30% off, but I can't remember. I don't know, but I know there's a link, but I'll share it down below in the description below. It's actually been the first time I've visited Fashion Nova in like a month. I just like seeing, you know, some new things go in there, so I haven't really looked. And I had fun today to really like browse and piece together outfits. You guys know I love styling together outfits and putting them together. So I had really much fun, and check out all the outfits down below and all the links down below, and check out the vlog down below, all that stuff down below in the description below, and subscribe if you haven't already, and check out the latest video, which is right here. So check out that, and I think it's top favorite products 2018, so go check that out. And hi for my channel, and I'll see you guys soon. That's all. XOXO. Oh wait, I'll see you guys next week, next Friday, with a new video and hopefully a new vlog. So I'll see you guys soon, and that's all. XOXO. Bye.